Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a probability adventure, diving into the world of dice and chance. Specifically, we'll tackle a question that's plagued mathematicians and gamblers for ages. What's the probability of rolling 3 sixes in a row with 3 standard dice? Imagine 3 innocent dice, nestled comfortably in your hand. You toss them in the air, anticipation building as they tumble and clatter across the table. The moment of truth arrives. As they settle, 3 perfect sixes staring back at you. But how likely is this jaw-dropping outcome? Let's find out. Let's break down the odds. Each individual die has 6 faces, each with an equal chance of landing on any number. The probability of rolling a 6 on a single die is 1 in 6. But we want to know the chance of rolling 3 sixes in a row, since each roll is independent. The probabilities multiply. Think of it like this. If each die is a hurdle, the chance of clearing one hurdle is 1 in 6 to clear all 3 hurdles in a row. We need to multiply the probabilities together. 1 in 6 times 1 in 6 times 1 in 6 equals 1 in 216. Hence, the probability of getting 6 3 times in a row is 0.463%. But let's put that into perspective. Imagine a pool with 216 ping pong balls, each representing a possible outcome of rolling 3 dice. Only one of those balls represents the holy grail of 3 sixes. So, the next time you attempt this feat, remember, the odds are stacked against you, but that just makes success even sweeter. And there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of rolling 3 sixes, proving that probability doesn't have to be a dry subject. So, if you enjoyed this little adventure, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting journeys into the world of science and math. Goodbye.